Hey, what up everyone? My name is Fanuel. I'm with my co-host here, Prince, as we welcoming you to Soccer Forensics. Ntwana Ukraine.
Fair boy.
My sweet man.
Oh, good, my boy.
Hola.
Welcome, guys. Welcome to Soccer Forensics. This is a platform where you guys get the latest news, football news, from Orkanti up until La Ekasi. Zithola shisa, zithola zibhakwa la. My boy.
Ntwana.
Sibathasha ngani fanakho?
Fanaka ntwana ngifuna siyithinte fast yabo.
Yeah.
But there's a promising youngster. But the next come up billiard.
The next come up billiard.
Yeah, there's a Zimbabwean international player, Daniel Msendane.
Udlalela nto.
He's ulapha ku Marumo Gallants. Yeah. So but he's the next come up billiard.
Promising stuff.
Yeah. So seems like Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates, they are fighting for his signature.
Silentana le iqeda ukufika manje.
Yeah. Iqeda ukufika la iyena kuyi Captain Spurs yeshama trial.
Trial.
Yeah, then bayivayela Captain Spurs. So manje riding him snatcher Marumo Gallants. Yeah, he's from Jwaneng FC.
Botswana.
Yeah, right. So manje coming to South African football, then manje sifunulo.
Yazi Jwaneng ilento iSundowns yangala.
Yeah, Botswana ne.
Yeah, quite interesting. I don't know. That's like, are they promising to a point where he'll be able to be featured in a big team like Kaizer Chiefs or Orlando Pirates?
Mawubheka ngara Botswana.
Yeah.
Yeah, promising, but coming to South African football, it's something else, man. Cause mawubheka Botswana kuJwaneng Galaxy. He played 7 games. He scored 7 goals. 2023. Okay. In 2024, he played 7 games. He scored 8 goals.
8 goals.
Yeah.
Playing after how many matches in 8 goals?
7.
7 matches.
Yeah. So mazobheka ngarantana iskele ngeke kushaya kabuhlungu kabi ubone nje usana Cristiano Ronaldo. So yeah, coming to South African football, man, like Mautia Cheka lapho Marumo Gallants, he played 24 games in all competition. He scored only 3 goals. Welcome to South African football.
It's Dilanayo.
Yeah.
But we all know South Africa's league is actually like a football language, but it's one of the best like African.
Yeah.
So it's not a surprise, but question la masters Botswana, man. Like ngeke 7 games, 8 games, the whole thingy, the whole league.
Like it doesn't make sense.
Like
I don't know what kwenzakalani. Or maybe udlala 7 hamba yohlala injury yonke, or maybe badlala 7 games vele child. Like I don't know, man. Come
on. Okay. So this boy is the boy that scored against Kaizer Chiefs, ne?
Yeah, the free kick.
The free kick from a center.
Sure, yeah.
Close to the center.
Yeah.
Just to say, yathola ubani lapha emapaleni.
Uvuma wavele wazivumela nje.
Welele.
Crisis nawe lapha Kaizer Chiefs.
Okay. I still yet to see him. I think ngakamboni Grandi.
Yeah.
In my view, I don't think uzofita lapha uChiefs or iLento, iPirates.
Sure.
He still needs more time. He still needs more time to prove himself, to be in a big team like one of those Soweto Giants.
Yeah.
Because
I think they are pushing him, dog.
They are pushing.
Yeah, I think they are pushing him. Maybe his agent is working overtime. If it's him or her.
Because he's still young and he's still.
And just about including my teams are the European teams, but now Bambone, come on. Just go nje akore Bruce Vuma la kwa HS Center then manje sebazothi seka star like the next Kama Billiard.
Uyabonakala from
Kama Billiard was something else.
That's a machine.
So like bongez bamkhulume le ntwana le I feel like bayipusha ntwana
Ne?
yabo so like come on like mase ngaba nevaru angeke azalwe njanisi
Afithi.
like Kaizer Chiefs players bheka manje Kaizer Chiefs is not doing great ne with those average players Modi is far better than le ntwana le ya
Maruya hamba.
yabo
Yeah.
then kunabo Potsane far better than le ntwana le abakhuluma ngayo he's only 24 years okay cool age is a certain like if it's riding come on
Hi, angazi ntwana mara yeah, maybe abona the way ukhuluma ngakhona uthi agent yakhe probably is the one that's pushing, driving all these things. But so far I don't think he'll actually like fit in. Uzofana nabo Gilberto.
Yeah,
Gilberto.
Yeah,
Yeah. He came here like South Africa promising star. Hey, agana goal, agana assist. The whole season. Yeah. So South African football is a different ball game.
It's something else, though.
Different ball game, and especially if you're going to go to Soweto, those teams are huge, regardless of how they're performing right now. But we all know, Sikalada. So let's just give him time. Let's just see Gucci Kamaranjan.
Yeah.
You wanna add anything, my boy?
No, ndona hiyo lebe ngifuna touch manje cause I see this and I was shocked with Ibo cuz Chiefs and Pirates won this boy.
Yeah.
Man. Akakenzi next le ngifuna to don the Soweto Giants jersey. Yeah. So please guys continue subscribing those who haven't subscribed yet. Like, comment, share. From me to you, one love, peace.
Soccer Forensics, we out.